Let's take a moment to breathe into meditation together. To just inhale and exhale into this space of release, this clearing. There may be things I'm aware of and things I'm unaware of that I am ready to release. Sweet Spirit of life, peace, love, and freedom, show me. I am awake now. I am willing now. I release any resistance to seeing how I may contribute to keeping myself stuck, down, limited. Inhaling and exhaling, I breathe into my sincere intention to be at peace with the world within me and the world around me. To get clear as I clear out this space of projections, rejections, toxicity, and turmoil. And instead, I just look at the world within me and the world around me, giving thanks for the reminder to go within, the reminder to be the witness. Inhaling and exhaling. I recognize I have the power to decide how I show up. I show up with mindfulness, defenseless, awake and aware. I let everything come up. Breathing into the possibility of Michael Singer's words, if you process your experiences properly, they will always be there to serve you, never to haunt you. I try on his words, the world is perfect for each person's growth, but not for the reason you think. The world is perfect for everyone's growth because everyone is looking at the world through their own blockages. Sweet Spirit, let me see. Let me hear. Let me release. I'm here to be awakened. I'm here to contribute. I'm here to welcome in the light, to be in the seat of awareness, way back inside. Inhaling and exhaling, relaxing and releasing. entering the still space within. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.